Welcome to this tutorial. How can you stay safe on Facebook and what safety resources are available to you? Welcome to the world of social media, where staying connected with friends and family is just a click away. But did you know that there are also dangers lurking on platforms like Facebook? Don't worry. In this video, we'll be showing you how to stay safe on Facebook and what resources are available to you to keep your information secure. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Open your web browser. Type facebook.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Enter your Facebook registered email and password. Here is tip number 1. Always create strong and unique passwords for your Facebook account and never reuse passwords for multiple accounts. Click on the Login button. Only share information that you are comfortable with being public. Be cautious when sharing personal information, such as your home address or phone number. Click on the profile icon at the top right, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on the Settings. Click on the Security and Login option on the left side. Scroll down and turn on Two-Factor Authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This requires you to enter a code in addition to your password when logging in. Click on the Privacy option on the left option. Regularly review and update your privacy settings to control who can see your posts, photos, and other information. If you see something that concerns you on Facebook, report it immediately to the platform. This can include things like spam, inappropriate content, or harassment. If you receive a link from an unknown person or page, do not click on it. Scammers often use links to spread malware or phishing scams. Scroll down the left menu panel and click on the Support inbox. Under the Help Center, click on the Safety Center. The Help Center provides information and resources on a wide range of topics, including privacy, safety, and security. By taking these steps and utilizing the available safety resources, you can stay safe on Facebook and enjoy a positive and secure experience on the platform. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.